Hello, my name is Brad. I'm calling from Lifetime Legal on behalf of John from Romans in Bracknell.
We're experts in anti-money laundering compliance. We deliver only two outcomes in the work that we do, either a pass or a fail. We take full responsibility away from the agent for having to do the due diligence required by their clients. We're delivering more revenue, faster transaction times, really adding to their bottom line whilst taking time-consuming admin work away from them.
Lifetime Legal adds a lot of value to us in terms of compliance and getting sales through. It is much more complicated now to sell a property than it ever was before. And I think from that point of view, you need to know that every step of the way, the people that you're partnering with are experts in their field.
The technology we use, we've developed in-house, and it allows us to link directly with estate agents' own systems. We integrate with the Land Registry, Experian, Equifax, Smart Search, Credus, whoever's best in class at the time. We're turning round checks typically in 6 or 7 minutes.
It's a very personal service. With Lifetime Legal, it doesn't feel like we're dealing with a third party. It feels very much as though they're a department within LRG. They understand us, they understand our process, and their processes are aligned to our risk assessment, our AML risk assessment. It's all very joined up.
We work really, really closely with Lifetime Legal at almost every level. So we have business development support where they go into branches, they do training, they help with new recruits. And I have a great personal relationship with Rob Sendall, the MD. We meet each week, we look at our priorities for the week, where we've overperformed, where we perhaps need to improve on things, and really work as a partnership to take both businesses forward.
Lifetime Legal is the only business that has a specialist enhanced due diligence team. So any of the processes that we run that give us an outcome which isn't a straight pass, so a refer, a sanctions warning, or a PEP, we have a team of trained staff who deal specifically with all of those cases. They know what to do with trusts, with probate cases, companies. So instead of branch staff having to get involved in some really quite complicated due diligence, we have an expert team that do it. They're doing it all the time, 1,000+ cases a month, so they can turn around even the most complicated cases within just a day or two.
In the tricky cases, quite often I get to review those afterwards, and I've been impressed by the level of detail that they return sometimes, with complex corporate structures. All the documentation is there. They've drilled right down to the ultimate beneficial owner who could be in a foreign jurisdiction somewhere. I've got absolute faith that they know what they're doing.
We really trust Lifetime Legal as partners. There's clear transparency between both businesses. They're very open and very easy to communicate with. So that's a really big part of our culture and theirs, and trust runs through the entire partnership, really.
I'd have no hesitation to recommend Lifetime Legal to any of our competitors. I think if you want a really good provider of legal services and a company that will help you with compliance, I don't think there's a better company to choose.